Safety in restaurants. Fire safety. Most restaurant fires begin in the kitchen, and when uncontained, can cause great destruction to buildings. More importantly, fires can be deadly. According to the U.S. Fire Administration, a department of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, it's reported that 59% of all restaurant fires are caused by cooking. 91% of these fires are small, confined fires that do limited damage, but fires can quickly get out of control. Electrical malfunction is the leading cause of uncontained larger restaurant fires. 21% of non-confined kitchen fires begin with ranges and deep fryers as the point of ignition. Smoke alarms were present in only 44% of non-confined restaurant fires. Fire extinguishing systems, mainly sprinklers, were present in only 47% of non-confined restaurant building fires. Most people think they're being careful on the job, or that they're in control and aware of their surroundings. But even experienced kitchen staff can sometimes be confronted with the frightening advent of fire. Most fires can be prevented. Still, 1 out of every 1,000 restaurant employees is killed in a restaurant fire, and more than 23 of every 1,000 are injured in fires.